A function g is defined by g of x maps to 2x minus 1 divided by x. For what value of x is the function g undefined? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. The question wants us to find the value of x for which the function g will be undefined. When you have a function in the form a divided by b, the function is undefined when the denominator b is equal to 0. So if we apply that here, then we can say that this function g will be undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. The denominator here is x. So what it means is that the function g is undefined when the denominator x is equal to 0. When we look through the options, the correct option will be option C, which is 0. So this function will be undefined when x is equal to 0.